Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new customers from KeyCRM to Telegram. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new customers from KeyCRM to other systems. For example, via Telegram you can receive data about new customers from KeyCRM and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the KeyCRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, select Get Customers, New. At this stage, you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account KeyCRM. Next, go to Settings. General. If you haven't created an API key yet, click Create API Key. Copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the KeyCRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your KeyCRM customers. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the KeyCRM data source setup. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Choose the system, Telegram. Then choose an action. Send message. At this stage, you need to connect your Telegram account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you can change the name of the account or just click Continue. Now you need to copy the name of the bot and go to your Telegram. Click on the bot you see on the screen and launch it. After that, copy the line to connect the Telegram bot and send him a message. After you have received a response about a successful connection, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. When the connected account is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Now you see the message field. You can assign variables from KeyCRM to this field. In order to add a variable to the field, click in it and select the variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. Press Enter to go to the next line. When all the necessary data is specified, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to your Telegram for each new customer from KeyCRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telegram. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. On this setting, Telegram as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.